Hello my friends and welcome to our YouTube channel. I am hoping that you had subscribed it. Do you want to make a lofi song? Well, you had seen such type of video in which the song is playing along with beautiful anime video. Literally, these type of video are making millions of views by creating some simple and smart hacks. Today's video I will show the trick that all of these are using. These all tricks are very simple. So wait till the end and watch complete video. If you will miss the steps in middle, then you will understand anything. Let's start today's video. This video is divided into 3 parts. First part is song, for which you want to make. Next part belongs to the picture, and last parts is combining both parts and edit them by using the tools which are absolutely free. Even you can edit it in your mobile phone. With the first part, which is song. If you have already your song, then that is good, but if you have not, then I will tell you that how can you choose your song. Now take your smartphone and open YouTube. Then you have to search slowed and reverb song. If you want to make in Hindi, then you can select Hindi, and if you want to make in English, select English. Remember one thing, that choose those songs which are currently trending on YouTube and have the possibility that your song also go trending. So I am making a slowed and reverb song in Hindi, so I select the slowed and reverb song in Hindi. And now we have these results. As you can see that there are many songs here. Now simply I can choose any of them and then download the song into the gallery. Make sure you have to choose the trending song. I am assuming that you knows that how to download the song directly into the gallery. If you don't know, then I will suggest you that there are many videos on this topic. You can watch those videos and simply can download the song to the gallery. Moving further on part 2, the picture part of your video. There are 2 types of picture, one is real and another is anime style. You can choose according to your interest. Now take your phone and open the search bar. Then simply type the anime pictures. As you can see, there are many pictures here. You can choose according to your interest. Mostly these pictures are free to use. You can use these pictures, but some of them are copyright and you have to pay some money to the owner. There are many websites who provide you the anime picture. I will suggest you that if you want to a high quality image, then you must visit some website which are providing you the high quality image absolutely free. The top website which I will recommend you that is pngtree.com. It will give you anime style picture as well as the real picture. Simply you have to search the pngtree anime style background. I am also giving the link into the description box so you can directly download the picture from there. Then you will see many picture background. Now you can select any of them, which would you like, and then long press on the picture and then download the picture into the gallery. And another website is freepik.com. Similarly like the first one, you can download the picture from here. You have to type the freepik anime picture and you get these picture. As you can see, there are many multiple pictures you can download. Remember your song and select picture according to that. Now there is another way to select the picture, and that is AI. AI is a tool of creating an image according to your requirement. There is one advantage of AI: you can customize the picture. And there is no copyright issue on the image. So this is the best way to creating image. There are 2 trending AI tool for creating text to image. One is Microsoft Bing and another one Adobe Firefly. These are very simple to use. You have write the prompt according to your image requirement and they will give you the best results. Now last part is the editing. Now you have the song for your video and an anime picture also. Now you have to compile the both and generate your lofi song. Editing is the most important part of your video. There are many apps which offer you the editing. If you're editing the video in the smartphone, then I will suggest you that the KineMaster is the best video editing app, and also it is very easy to use. Link of KineMaster is also in description box. If you want to download the app, you can download it. If you are using another app, that is also okay, you can do that also. I am using the KineMaster, so I simply download the KineMaster and now I am opening the app. As you can see, it is opening now. So, wait a moment, it just opening. Now click on the create new icon, which is on the screen. Then you have to select the video ratio 16:9. Now select the picture you had downloaded earlier in the video and simply click on the picture and add the picture to the timeline of the video. As you can see, I am doing the same process with you. Now picture part had been done. Now we can add the song to the timeline. Stretch the picture timeline to same as the song timeline. For adding the song to the timeline, click on the song icon as shown in the app and then select the music. Now you can add the downloaded song to the timeline. Select the song which you have downloaded from the YouTube and add. For example, I am adding the song which was downloaded before. More than half part of the video has been done, and now we have to add the font to the video front. Make sure that the font of video is attractive so that the viewer easily click on your video. And add the font in that area where it is not overlapping the face of the picture. Font must be in the bold style. For adding font to the video, click on the Layers button on the KineMaster and then Text button. If you want to add a 3D font, that is also a good idea. But generally, 3D font are not for free. You can write the song name in bold style, or either you can simply write slowed and reverb song. Now we have added the picture and the song and also font, and now it is completed almost. If you want to select the more font style, then you can also do that. Here are many styles, so you can select according to your interest. Now it is almost done, and if you want to add the snow particle effect to the video, you can also do that. For adding the effect, simply click on the Layers button and then select your video in which the particle are falling slowly in a black background. Now adding the video to the timeline. Expand the video to the frame size so that it can cover the all video. Then select the green screen option from the video and also select the screen option, so the black background can be erased and only the particle falling can be seen. Scroll down the bar and select the chroma option and then select the black color from that. Now as you can see that the black background had been removed, and now only falling particle is there. You have to wait a while and then it's starting. And add this particle video timeline to the end of the video so it can cover whole video. Now this is the final result and it is looking so cool. Now if you want to remove the watermark from the video, you can purchase the monthly subscription, and if you are not interested, then leave watermark as it is. Now click on the export button on the right corner upside, and simply you can export video in HD quality into your gallery. Now it is the time to surprise. There are 30 videos on this channel which are made by me, and it all are the best videos. So I have decided that if any one of you want to download these videos and upload to your channel, you are welcomed. But you can only upload till the March 5th, because I am deleting all these videos. So if anyone from you want to upload this, you can do. And thank you very much for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, also press the bell icon for latest videos.